Hi guys, and welcome to this long-awaited Snow White tutorial. I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation mixed with a little bit of the e.l.f. camo concealer. This is going to give me a very Snow White complexion, porcelain base. Yeah, so I'm going to just spread this all over my face, and I want to give myself a full coverage look because if you study a lot of the Disney princesses at theme parks or anything like that, their face is very matte and full coverage and they just look flawless. Princesses are flawless, right? But whatever you define as a princess is your preference, of course. So I just am going to take this down my neck as well. This was very highly requested. Every time I do a Disney look, people have been begging for Snow White, and I don't know why it took me so long, honestly. I think I was just stubborn with it just being like a classic type of pinup look, but I decided to go for it, and I really loved the turnout. So yeah, I'm just brightening my face now with the same e.l.f. camo concealer. The shade I was using before was a little bit darker. This one's way lighter, and I did not have a problem putting this on my face because I wanted to go for that really light complexion. Also putting a little bit of that concealer down my neck as well because my neck for some reason is tanner than my face. I think that's what it's like for everybody. People are usually washed out in their face. To set all this in place, I'm using my favorite powder, the Airspun. Well, it isn't my favorite powder, but it's the powder that I buy without being sad at my wallet, right? So I love this powder. It does the trick, keeps you matte all day long, and I didn't spend $38 on it. So after I do that, I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. Clearly, my eyebrows are red right now. So I'm going to fill them in black, not jet black, but like a darker brunette color. And because my eyebrows are just like a blondish red color, it just doesn't make sense. So yeah, I'm just filling in my eyebrows, following the shape. You guys, if you have dark hair, lucky you. I have light hair, so I have to do this or it's gonna look silly. I feel like once I did that, it tied the look a little bit more together. And I usually skip the eyebrow process a lot, but this time I was just going for it. Okay, so once we're done with the eyebrows, I'm just going to wipe away that bake. I usually bake my face while I fill in my eyebrows. So I was wearing contact lenses for this look. You're gonna see when I do my eyeshadow that I remove them because they were bothering my eyes a bit. But anyways, yeah, I'm just taking this pink blush right here and we're going to take an excessive amount. I wanted to go for excessive because she's Snow White, so she has these rosy red cheeks. If you look at a lot of the actresses or people who play Snow White at the Disney theme parks, their cheeks are very rosy. So that is what I kind of got inspiration from. So just make sure you put that on your cheeks high above too as well. So I'm taking this Too Faced palette for the rest of the time being, and I'm using this white eyeshadow right here, and I'm going to put this all over my eyes. As you can see, I did remove those contact lenses just for this part right here. And I made sure to zoom in really nice and closely so you can see what I'm doing. So just put that white eyeshadow all over your eye, and then I'm going to take this brown color, it's like a sienna brown color, and just create kind of like slightly like outer shape. I don't know how to explain it, but just make sure that you go in there with that white eyeshadow and then back and forth motions, white eyeshadow, and then again with that brown color. Also place that white eyeshadow in the inner corners as well on your lower lash line for that dolly look, and then make sure you go back and forth with that brown eyeshadow. It's super simple, a little too simple for me, but now I'm just taking a black eyeliner and creating a tiny wing. I'm also going to connect it to my bottom lash line as well. My gosh, my lashes were filthy. I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, so I am just going to connect it to the lower lash line here in a bit once I create that. So right here, I am connecting the lower lash line to the upper wing, and I'm doing this right here because it creates a dolly-like effect, so that is what I'm doing. And I kind of wanted those dolly eyes. So then I'm taking these magnetic lashes and just popping those on really, really quickly, and placing some mascara on the bottom and top lashes to give myself those dolly eyes. And that is the eye makeup. Very simple and easy to follow. Now we're going to move on to the lips. I am just taking this Red Velvet lip cream. No, it's a liquid lipstick from Limecrime, and this was like the perfect apple red color. And that is pretty much it for the look. Super simple. Snow White is such a classic character. If you happen to recreate this makeup look, please tag me. I would love to see your guys' recreations. But anyways, let me know which Disney character you'd like to see me do next, and I would be happy to do it. I do want to do an updated Ariel look, but let me know which one I haven't done, and I will make sure to do that. I love you guys, and see you soon. Bye!